Hello student, today we are going to see NCERT exercise problem. It's for class 11 physics. It's a 9th chapter, 6th problem we are going to see. Okay, they are taken as a aluminum cuboid. Okay, cube. Okay, 10 centimeter as a side. Okay, they applied the force as a 100 kg. The aluminum shear modulus is 25 gigapascal. Okay, now they asked how much the vertically the length is going to be changed. Okay, this is a situation. Okay, here they applied as a 100 kg mass. Okay, 100 kg they applied as a weight. Okay, now they asked how much the vertically the displacement will be there for the cuboid. Okay, cube. Okay, so it's like this will get the changes which is called as a shear modulus. Okay, so the angle wise changes will be happen, that we can take it as a shear modulus. This is a theta angle, it's going to shift. Okay, they asked about the dx length. Okay, what is a length in y axis? Dy also, if you want, you can take it. This is a length they asked. Okay, the side of the cube is given as a 10 centimeter. Okay, the shear modulus of this is going to be 25 gigapascal. Okay, these are the data is given. They applied the weight as a 100 kg. So now we'll see what is a changing displacement in vertically dx. Okay, so we are going to find dx, the changing length in a y axis. That's going to be, we are find this much gap we are going to find. If you want, you can take it y also here. Okay, now shear modulus is called shear stress by shear strain. Okay, shear strain we can take it as a theta. So stress is given 25 gigapascals. Okay, so stress by strain is called theta. So theta, if you are taken this side, stress divided by theta will be there. Sorry, it's going to be shear modulus. Okay, just a modification. Theta I brought here, shear modulus I brought here. Okay, now what is stress? No, stress is called force per unit area. Okay, the shear modulus is called eta. Okay, afterwards we'll come for what is theta. First we'll calculate this one. Okay, first I'm going to calculate with the stress. Okay, stress is called force per unit area. So stress is called force per unit area. So how much force I applied? Actually mass is 100 kg. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, mass into mg. Okay, weight here is going to be, force is called weight. Okay, 100 into 9.8 as a force I applied. Okay, which area I applied? I applied this area. Okay, I applied this area. Okay, so it's going to be length 10 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter. Length 10, breadth 10 will get as a centimeter square. Okay, also here it is called kg and it is for meter per second square. Okay, now this 2 multiplication will get as a 980. Okay, Newton numerator, force. Area no, centimeter you are not able to do the problem. You should convert as a meter. Okay, centimeter to meter conversion if you want to do with the centimeter to meter conversion, you should divide it by 100. Okay, it's a very simple, divided by 100. So 10 no. So 10 centimeter to meter, 10 divided by 100. Okay, 10 centimeter to meter, 10 divided by 100. Okay, now the centimeter will become as a meter square. Okay, centimeter become as a meter square. Okay, denominator directly will go into the numerator. So 980, 1 2 3 4 0, 1 2 3 4 0. Okay, denominator 2 zeros will be there because this 2 0 will get cancelled. So how much will get? Finally the force is 9800, 98,000 Newton will get. Okay, the force. Okay, now we'll find what is theta. Theta is equal to stress by strain. Stress is called force per unit area. Strain is the thing is after modified, here will be shear modulus. Okay, this value 98,000. Okay, Newton. Denominator shear modulus 25 gigapascals. Okay, gigapascals to the pascals. So first is the kilo, mega, giga. Okay, so giga means is 10 power plus 9 pascals. Okay, mega 10 power plus 6, kilo 10 power plus 3, kilo 10 power plus 3, mega 10 power plus 6, giga 10 power plus 9. Okay, so 10 power plus 9 pascals. Okay, so far we got theta. Okay, now actually we want dx length. Okay, so here I am taken as a tan theta. See here, tan theta, sin theta will be approximately equal to theta when the angle is small. This is very small angle. Okay, tan theta approximately equal to theta. Okay, theta approximately equal to here theta from this triangle, that small triangle is there, no, opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite is dx, adjacent is L, that's called 10 centimeter. Okay, dx by L is equal to theta we can call. Okay, L is 10 centimeter, no, that you can write as a 0.1 meter. Okay, dx divided by 0.1 meter. Okay, this is called theta. Okay, instead of theta you can take it this much. Okay, so dx divided by 0.1 is equal to 98000 divided by 25 into 10 power plus 9. Okay, now the next is this 0.1 you can bring that side. Okay, this 0.1 you can bring this side. So finally we'll get as a what is dx, the changing length in a vertically we are going to calculate. Okay, so dx length is equal to this no 1 2 3 4 decimal, no, 9.8 into 10 power plus 4. I am making the problem as a very simple, into 0.1, from here I am bringing as a 0.1, here 25 into 10 power plus 9. Okay, now if you are calculating this you will get the answer. Okay, from denominator to numerator I am bringing plus 9, that will become as a minus 9, 9.8 into 0.1 into 10 power plus 4 into 10 power minus 5 divided by 25. Okay, this two multiplication, no, one decimal will move this side, 98 into 1, 98 only, because of the decimal will become as 0.98. Okay, divided by 25 into 10 power this it's minus 9 plus 4, the answer will become as a minus 5. This two addition will become as minus 5. Now we have to do the simplification of this. Okay, if you feel difficult to calculate with the decimal means, just 100 on numerator, 100 on denominator. So what I can get now, 98 divided by 2500 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, now the final step we have to do with the division with this two number, we'll get as a dx. Dx is in a unit of meter. Okay, so now we are doing everything is in a SI unit. Problem actually you should do in a SI unit. Okay, now 98 will be inside, 98 will be inside, 2000 for 2500 will be outside. Okay, 0.0. Now we are not able to do the division, one more 0 you can include. Okay, so 7500 how many times? 3 times. Okay, remaining value 0 0 3 will be there. Okay, again here 1 will be there, again 0. Okay, so 1 2 5 0 0. Actually when we'll get this number now, 9 times. Okay, now remaining value 0 0 5. Okay, again one more 0, 5000 will be get as a 2 times. So finally answer dx length is going to be 0.0392 into 10 power minus 5 meter. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want more example and exercise problem means, you can go and see in my playlist. Thank you.